Understanding precedent setting in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, precedent setting. This phrase is commonly used in legal, professional, and everyday contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your conversations and writing. Let's get started. The phrase, precedent setting, refers to something that establishes a pattern or standard that will influence future actions or decisions. It's like setting a path for others to follow. The term is often used in legal contexts where a court decision influences future legal cases. However, it's also relevant in other areas, like business or technology, where actions or decisions can shape future policies or practices. To understand this concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. Legal example. If a court makes a decision on a unique case, and future courts use this decision as a reference for similar cases, that decision is precedent setting. 2. Business example. A company might introduce a new policy, like unlimited vacation days. If this policy works well and other companies start adopting it, the original company's policy is precedent setting. 3. Everyday life. If a community starts a successful recycling program and neighboring communities begin to adopt similar programs, the original program can be considered precedent setting. Understanding the idea of precedent setting is crucial because 1. Influences decision-making. It helps us comprehend how certain decisions or actions can influence future events. 2. Guides behavior. In professional settings, knowing what has been precedent setting can guide our actions and decisions. 3. Promotes understanding. In legal contexts, it's essential for understanding how laws and decisions evolve over time. Now, let's practice using the phrase in a sentence. The court's ruling was precedent setting, influencing how future cases were judged. The company's innovative approach to remote work was precedent setting in the industry. Understanding and using the phrase, precedent setting, can significantly enhance your communication, especially in discussions involving law, business, or any field where decisions can shape the future. I hope this video has clarified the concept for you. Remember, your actions today might just set a precedent for tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.